Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of opening a SoFi bank account online, step by step. SoFi is known for its user-friendly interface and competitive rates, making it a popular choice for many individuals looking to streamline their banking experience. First, go to the SoFi website on your computer or mobile device. Look for the option to Open an Account or something similar. Click on that to start the account opening process. You'll be asked to provide some personal information such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure to have these details handy before you begin. Next, you'll need to choose the type of account you want to open. SoFi offers various options including checking, savings, and investment accounts. Select the account type that best fits your needs and preferences. You may also need to decide if you want a joint account or an individual account. Once you've filled out all the required information and selected the account type, review everything carefully to ensure it's accurate. This is crucial to prevent any issues down the line. Then, submit your application. You may need to verify your identity through a series of security questions or by uploading a photo of your ID. After you've submitted your application and verified your identity, you'll need to fund your new SoFi account. You can typically transfer funds from an existing bank account or set up direct deposit. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the funding process. Once your account is funded, you're all set to start using your SoFi bank account. Congratulations! You've successfully opened a SoFi bank account online. Remember to download the SoFi mobile app for convenient access to your account on the go. If you have any questions or need assistance, SoFi's customer support team is available to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.